We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MyMathLab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss a next assignment that is related to chapter 11. Okay. The name of today's assignment is Exp22 Excel chapter 11 HOEHalloween. So we just increase its size so it must be visible to everyone. Then here is project description. We just increase its size, change its color so it must be visible to everyone. So we will discuss this assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get A grade 100% marks. But before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignment. So in today's assignment we have to move toward whole assignment. There are 19, 20, 20. We have 28 questions in today's assignment. I mean, quite big assignment we have in today. So let me start this assignment step by step. Okay. The name of today's assignment, as we discussed earlier, that name is Exp22 Excel chapter 11 Halloween. So in short, we just discuss the project description. Halloween Center is a super center corporation that opens stores around the country in September and October. The stores sell high quality costumes and accessories. So in addition, each location has haunted house that generates revenue through admissions fees. You are a regional manager over Oath, Colorado, New Mexico, and Arizona, where stores are located in 10 major cities. So you created a workbook with 3 worksheets. The first 2 worksheets contain a list of stores and state manager. Then your first task will be to manipulate the text to make the list easier to read. The third worksheet contains the list of gross sales by stores at the end of each year. So you will use advanced filtering, the database function, to analyze the sales. The fourth worksheet contains a similar dataset. You will use array function to create a unique list of location. A list record number of stored and filter and sequence of top values. Finally, the last worksheet contains consolidate list of weekly sales in easy to read format. You will use a lookup function to search and find the data within the data set. So all these were just simply project description that told us that what we have in today project, how we have to solve that one, and at last what will our outcome, what will we get. Okay, so let me start today assignment step by step. Steps to perform. Here is instructions. So start Excel, download and open the file name that we have already downloaded from Pearson platform. That grader has automatically added our last name in the beginning of the file name, so we have to open that file that we call a solution file. Okay, so it is just getting open. Once it open, then we will start working. Then in next word, First column contains first and last name of store manager. To facilitate future sorting by last, you want to display last name and then first name in second column. Okay. So that was just simply instruction about question number 2, that what we have in question number 2, how we have to solve that one. Okay. So in question number 2, we have to move towards cell B2 first of store manager worksheet. So first we have to move towards store manager worksheet. Cell, we have to move towards cell B2 here. Then type this one, then use flash fill to complete the pattern of down to column B. So we have to type this one there in column cell B2. Simply press enter. Now we have to use flash fill column to fill other one. So select this one, then there is editing, fill and flash fill. Yes. So question number 2 is done and we have earned 3 marks from there. In question number 2, we have to move towards cell B2 of store manager worksheet. Then there we have to type Lundgren Gistron. After inserting that word, then we have to use flash fill to complete the pattern down column B. We have done and we get this answer, okay, this result. So now moving toward question number 3. The worksheet contains the complete addresses in third column. You will separate the street address, cities, states and postal codes into individual columns. So in select the range C2 to C11. First we have to select C2 to C11. Then we have to convert the text to two columns. Use comma checkbox as delimiter and then deselect other delimiters. So first we have to select the range, then simply click on data, text to column, then use next, use a delimiter and we have to use comma, not tab. Okay, then change the width of, okay, now we have to move forward, next, finish. Then we have to change the width of column C to 25. Where is C? This one is C. Right click this one and we have to type there 25. Then column and D to 13. Where is column D? This one. Right click and write there 13. Simply press enter. Okay. So question number 3 is done and we have got 3 marks from there. So in question number 3, we have to select the range C2 to C11, then convert that text to two columns. Use comma checkbox as a delimiter and deselect other delimiters. Then change the width of column C to 25 and width of column D to 13. We have done and we got 3 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 4. Now you want to separate the state abbreviation and zip codes. So select the range E2 to E11 and then convert text to columns. First we have to select E2 to E11. Then we have to convert the text into column. Then deselect comma delimiter and select space delimiter there. Okay. Now we have to click on text to column, then deselect comma, select space there. Then do not import first column. Okay. Then in cell F1 apply. Okay, now we just simply press finish. Then align or right horizontal element. Align right home, and here's align right. Yes. So question number 4 is done. After solving question number 4, we have earned 4 marks from there. So we have to select the range E2 to E11 and convert the text to columns. Then deselect the comma delimiter and select the space delimiter. Then do not import the first column. In cell F1, apply align right horizontal alignment. Question number 4 is done. Now moving toward question number 5. The state manager worksheet contains a list of managers, so you will combine the name using a text join function. So display state manager worksheet. First we have to display state manager worksheet. Then in cell D2 insert text join function. We have to move towards cell D2 and here we have to use text join function. Then to combine the name of A2 to C2 using space delimiter, so we have to use space delimiter. Then A2 to C2, sorry, A2 to C2, yes, C2. Then ignore empty cell, then copy cell to D3 to D5. Okay, now close parentheses, press enter. There is problem with formula, so we have to correct that one. Okay, so we have to in there a true. Okay, everything is perfect, but we have to in true there, then simply press enter and we get the result. Okay, so question number 5 is done. Now we have to copy function to D3 to D5. Yes, so question number 5 is done and we have earned 4 marks from there. So in question number 5 we have to display the state manager worksheet. Then in cell D2 we have to insert a text join function to combine the names in a range A2 to C2 using a space as a delimiter. Then ignore empty cells, then copy function to the range D3 to D5. So after solving question number 5 we have earned 4 marks. Now moving toward question number 6. To improve the readability of the names, you will convert the text to proper and lowercase. So in cell E2, insert a proper function. We have to move to our cell E2 and there we have to use proper function equal or write proper function. Then text contain a cell D2. Where is D2? This one. Then close parentheses and press enter. Okay, then copy the function to the range E3 to E5. Now simply drag this to there and we get the result. Okay, so question number 6 is done and we have earned 3 marks from there. Okay, so now moving toward question number 7. After solving question number 6, so you want to extract the area code from the phone number. So in a cell H2 insert a left function. We have to move toward H2 here and here use left function. Then to extract first three character from phone number that is in G2. So we have to select G2, then write 3 mean it will get 3 number from there. Now press enter and you may see we just get from left we get 3 number here. Okay, then copy the function to the range H3 to H5. Now we just simply drag this one to there. Yes, and we have earned 4 marks from there. So in question number 7 we have to move toward cell H2 and there we have to insert a left function to extract first three characters from phone number in cell G2. Then copy the function to the range H3 to H5. Done. Now moving toward question number 8. So you will use a database worksheet for next several steps. So you will set up a criteria and output range, enter the criteria and then apply a filter. So display database worksheet. Now we have to first display database worksheet. Then copy range. Copy range A2 to E2. Where is A2 to E2? Copy this range. Okay, Control C is shortcut for copy. Then use keep source column with paste option to paste the headings in G2. Where is G2? Here is G2 and we have to paste the column width option. Keep source formatting. No, keep source column width. We have to keep source column width. Yes, this one. Then paste another copy of headings in starting cell G9. Where is G9? Here is G9. We have to paste that with the same way. Yes. Then in cell I3 type UT. Where is I3? Here is I3. Yes, UT. Then J3 and we have typed this one, so we just simply copy this one from here. Control C. Then where is G2? J3, sorry. Here. Okay. Then in a cell C2 display advanced filter dialog box. Now we have to move towards cell C2 here, and here we have to display advanced filter. Mean we have to click on data and there is advanced filter option. Then apply the settings to copy the records to another location. Then using this dataset, okay, A2 to F15 as a dataset that is already selected. Yes. Then copy to another location. Now for criteria range, select G2 to K3 as criteria range. Now we have to select G2 to K3 as criteria range. Then select G9 to K9 as copy range. Okay, we have to copy G9, no, this one, G9 to K9, not 10, it's K9. Okay, then simply press OK, so that will done. You may see, and we have earned 8 marks from there. So in question number 8, that's a quite big one. In question number 8, we have to display the database worksheet, then copy the range A2 to E2 and then use keep source column with paste option to paste the headings in cell G2, then paste another copy of the headings starting in cell G9, then in I3 type UT, then in cell G3 type date, then in cell C2 display advanced filter dialog box, and we have follow all these one and we get answer, and we have earned 8 marks from this question. Okay, now moving toward question number 9. So you want to calculate the total sales for each store week ending on this date. Okay, so in cell N2 we have to insert the sum function, the range E2 to E15, then types gross sales for field, and range or criteria range is G2 to K3, and we will earn 3 marks by using the sum function in cell N2. Then in question number 10, we have to move to our cell N3, where we have to insert the average function using same function argument that used for the sum function in step 9, and we will earn 3 marks also from there. Okay, so in question number 11, we have to move toward cell N4 and there insert the max function using same argument that we used in the sum function in steps 9. Okay, so all these questions will be done step by step. You may see we have just how many questions? We have just 28 questions. Out of 28 questions, we have done first 10 to 12 questions. Mean almost half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. Remember that in today's video we have discussed Exp22 Excel chapter 11 who Halloween. We have done almost half of assignment. In start we just discuss project description, then after discussing project description, then we move toward graded part and we have solved question number 1, then we solve question number 2, 3, 4, then we have solved question number 5, 6, then we have solved question number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so we have done first 11 to 12 question from today assignment. Mean almost 50 to 55% assignment is done from my side in today video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as there in bottom of this video you may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. So you may simply contact me. I'm available, I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. But remember that your result will be 100%, file will be ready in next 30 minutes, and price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one, and you will get good grade. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, Power BI project, Tableau project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me, you may simply text me. I'm available, I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Price will be reasonable, the file will be ready in next 30 minutes, and your score will be 100%. That's my guarantee, that's my promise. Remember that in today's video we have discussed Exp22 Excel chapter 11 Halloween. We have done this assignment almost 60%. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.